Battlefield 6 on the TCL R84 QD Mini LED gaming monitor. Today I'm showcasing this 32-inch brightness monster, the colors, the brightness impact, the HVA panel with the speed at 165Hz handles this game with ease. And one thing I will say is that it's very bright, but it still retains all that contrast to give you an amazing picture. I'll be providing a variety of games to help you make that awesome buying decision. Is this monitor on your radar? Is it worth it? How does it perform with the latest games? Well, you'll be able to see that here on Victor's Reality. So hit that subscribe button. Consider becoming a YouTube member for exclusive content on the TCL R84 or R94, coming very soon. You can check the playlist or the members section, and I would truly appreciate it, friends, as it does help the channel tremendously. Like, share, and comment if you think this monitor is pretty cool. And don't forget to hype this video. This is a very bright, impactful monitor. My best settings will be in the description below, so you can check it out if you decide to get this monitor and apply it for yourself, so you can see HDR will come alive and be very bright. Even though the settings can reach 100, I usually have to keep it down to 80, as again, it gets very bright. I feel this monitor is like the QM7K's little brother. The image quality. The image looks very similar, as I have both of them. It'd be cool to see a side-by-side of them, right? So hit that like button, comment down below if you'd like to see that. But from Fortnite with the pastel colors, to a gritty game like Battlefield 6, or even Halo Campaign Evolved, I've been playing those games on this monitor. As you know, I switch out my monitors from time to time, and I do appreciate the immersion, the size of 32 inches at 4K, and with TCL's Halo control system, blooming is kept to a minimum, and everything just looks punchy. Everything is bright, colorful. I have no complaints with this monitor. Even the speakers are okay-ish. Not the best, but they're not that bad, and it gets the job done in a pinch while you're getting or waiting for a soundbar. Many more POV gaming videos coming very soon on the TCL R84, R94, and among other gaming monitors coming very soon to the channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and it's time to game on the TCL R84 32-inch QD Mini LED gaming monitor with Battlefield 6.
Need a medic! objective.
Need a medic!
Be advised, we have minimal soldiers left. Secure the objective.